hold on. Don't go to another channel. If you're at least 8 years old, you should be able to understand this. And if you're a tween, teen, or college student, don't move a muscle, because this episode is especially for you. Now, if you're beyond college days and a little seasoned, like myself, it's okay to stay. Hey troopers, it's Mr. J showing the love. Look, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. The purpose of this channel is to expose how much God loves us and how we can demonstrate a little more love to each other. Out of all the episodes we produce, we never really had anything that specifically targeted children, teens, and college age. Okay, so let me talk to you for a minute, and it's okay to bring in your parents or your grandparents. You can go get them, I'll wait. Okay, time's up. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna get this rolling by me showing you this public service announcement that was written, directed, filmed, and edited by my students during our Teen Creative and Performing Arts Workshop this summer, and this is their message to you.
When I wear my hair curly, it's unprofessional, but when it's straight, I'm not embracing my natural beauty.
Everyone tells me to lose weight, but when I do, they say I'm too skinny and I look unhealthy.
When I wear makeup, I'm misleading, but when I don't look put together.
When I use proper grammar, I'm whitewashed, but when I don't, I'm ghetto.
Who do you want me to be? There's no middle ground.
No matter what, they won't accept me.
Why should I care what they think?
No matter what I do, they'll judge. So why should I care?
Everyone is beautiful in their own way. Celebrate your uniqueness.
Be you.
Be you.
Be you.
Be you.
Be you.
Be you.
It doesn't matter how young or old you may be. It doesn't matter where you live or the conditions you're living in. Find your greatness in everything that makes you unique. It is that which makes you beautiful. You, my little friends, are custom made, and this is your time to rise. You've been given your lifetime to experience being you, not someone else. So look beyond what appears to be fun and easy and embrace what is right. Can I drop some Bible on you for just a minute? Here's just a snippet of what Jesus mentioned in John 14:6. He said, I am the way and the truth and the life. This passage is telling me if you can discover and embrace His truth, you will then find the way to navigate through your special life experience. To break it down for you means you're going to need to get into and stay into His book on a daily basis. Don't expect life to be always simple. Mankind, in all of his wisdom, cannot and never will figure out a way to recreate you, because God's unique design for you is too complicated for man to unwrap. See if you can find a genius in our entire history who can create a living man from clay, followed by the sophisticated design of a woman from a rib. Yeah, it's not happening. What is complicated for mankind is nothing for God. Just look how He rendered you and me. Complications is a part of our makeup, and it's a part of that thing that we call life. But check this out. Going through complications in many cases has given birth to greatness. Whenever you have doubts about yourself, go to that mirror and say, God sees me as beautiful. God has created me to be unique, and God has created me for greatness. And here's a heads up. If you know of someone that's dealing with bullying, suicide, sexual assault, or mental illness, be sure to check out the links below in my description area. Once again, thank you for watching. This is Mr. J showing a love, saying be you, because God has made you beautiful.